So you want to get better at cooking. That's perfect. I do too. Hi there, my name is Will and this is my YouTube channel. This is where I share and learn simple, cheap, delicious meals. It's also where I like to show you guys how you can make these meals with just a minimum amount of tools at your disposal. Cooking gives me control over my life. It gives me confidence, it gives me freedom, and by cooking all my own meals, by forcing myself to get closely connected with my food, it's allowed me to be closely connected with my body. So come along with me. Join this weird little journey of mine of getting better at this essential life skill. Help me out, teach me a thing or two. I really need all the help I can get. Today's the day. Make it happen. Come, let's cook ourselves some food.